Hello and welcome to Physical Security Architecture. Today we will learn about a tool in Sketchup uh, using which you can visualize how a camera can see uh, from a particular point in the 3D model. So if you go to tools, there is an advanced camera tools section, and inside there is select camera type. Here you have several cameras with different uh, focal lengths and different aspect ratios. So I've selected this one, and basically the view that it is giving me is the view that can be captured using that camera. So let me change the camera and let's see how does the view change. Let's go to this one. Let's go to another one. So here we are. Now there is also another tool, a toolbar in SketchUp, which you can select. This is advanced camera tools, and it contains a few buttons. So when you place yourself anywhere in the 3D model, you can select this. You can click on this button, and this will create a camera at that position. So here are some specs regarding that camera, and it also mentions the tilt and the height of that camera from ground, and you can see the focal length is mentioned, the aspect ratio is mentioned, the image width is mentioned. So basically uh, if you want to change the position of this camera, then you'll have to go to another scene. Like for example, this is the view. So here is our camera, and this is the area that it's capturing, but we can also hide the area by using this button, and we can click it again. And if we want to change the position of this camera, we can change it. We can also rotate it, and we can again go inside the camera and have a look at what does the camera see. So now we can see that it is looking away from the wall. So now if I place it here on the inside and I rotate it towards the inside of uh, the facility, then this is the view that it captures. So we can see that it's not looking uh, uh, at the building. uh, it's not capturing most of the floors, so we can increase its we can change its tilt so that it looks upward, and we can have a look again. Now you can see the view has changed. So this is a built-in feature inside SketchUp. What you can do is you can uh, also edit this camera. You can right click it and you can edit it, and here you can see some specs. where it will be able to uh, change its aspect ratio or focal length. So basically, if you click on this scene, you will see inside the camera, and if you go to some other scene, then you will come out of that camera, and you will be able to see away from that camera. But as far as you are inside that camera and you try to pan, tilt or zoom, you try to move around, the camera is going to change its position. You can see the camera is changing its position, it's changing its view. So to come out, you will have to click on another scene. As long as you are going to stay inside the camera, wherever you go, the camera will also go there. So let's see what it can view from this building's corner. Okay, so we have to change the angle, and now we can keep it here. Now let's come out and see. So this is the area that it's capturing, and if you want to look through the camera again, you can click on this scene, it will come back. So if you want to add a scene of your own, you can go to view, animation and add scene. It will create another scene for you. So basically you need the scene that is the camera itself and one more scene to uh, visualize the 3D model from outside the camera, and you can choose from a variety of cameras. If you want to choose the camera, you can go to tools, advanced camera tools, and then select camera type, and you can see there are several cameras here with different aspect ratios, different specs and all that. So you can select whichever suits your preference. You can also right click on the camera itself and click edit camera and change the specs from here, the aspect ratio, the focal length and other specs. So that's all for today. So if you liked this tutorial and if you'd like to stay connected with physical security architecture, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. And if you're watching this video on LinkedIn, then you may follow me on LinkedIn and join our group Physical Security Architecture on LinkedIn to stay updated. Thank you.